Hello friends, from the title you might know we have an extra gadget in our blogging setup. Now we got that extra wing to fly, and yeah, I am talking about DJI Mavic Mini, a mini drone. So today in this video we will quickly unbox it and also will check a sample footage how it looks like. Actually, it was my long pending dream, and I was looking for a drone quite a long time. And because of this pandemic, I didn't get. And yeah, without any further delay, so let's unbox it. Let's see what is inside. Okay, this polythene cover, the lamination. So the best part of this drone is it's a lightweight, 249 gram to be exact. And why it is 249 gram? Because the size, right? We no need to register this drone in our DGCA as per government rule, right? Any drone which is above 249 gram, you need to register in the Digital Sky website. But since it is 249 gram, we no need to register it. That is one of the biggest reason to buy this. So it's a fly more combo. So fly more combo, one benefit is it comes with additional batteries as well as propeller guard, because as a new drone flyer, right, the chances are high that we may crash. So the propeller guard may help a bit. Yeah, so this is a nice travel box. The quality is pretty good. So what else inside? Let's check. Okay, another box. I'm not sure what exactly is all this. I think the silicone gel, which is normal in any of the electronic items. So let me keep it aside. So what is this? Okay, what is this? Okay, I think looks like some instruction manual. So what is this? Yeah, I think looks like this is the battery, because it is little heavier on side. Yeah, small batteries, 3, because it's a fly more combo. Yeah, so 3 batteries done. What is inside this? Okay, it looks like it is the propeller guard. Yeah, so these are the propeller guards. Yeah, so this will protect the propeller. Yeah, so propeller guards, let me keep it aside. Yeah, so this one is the brand new DJI Mavic Mini. Look at this, guys, look at this. Such a beautiful piece, and it's so light. It's with battery, it's 249. Actually, I feel battery is more heavier than this drone. See, such a beautiful piece. Okay, I think what else we have? I think this is yeah, this is a remote control. Yeah, so this is the remote control. and this is the charging case. Yeah. And one more thing is this one, I think the connectors, right? So if you have different phones, maybe few phones have USB type C type, few are USB. So depending upon the type of phone you use, you can use this. I don't want to give a demo how to run this, how to operate this, because there are enough videos available on YouTube. This video is just about my drone purchase and just a demo from flight, right? How the footages looks like and all. That's all. I'm not going to give any kind of demo. In case if you're looking for a demo, then you can. Yeah, there are hundreds of videos out there with various even operational step-by-step instructions also. Yeah, so these are all different type of adapters. So I think one is to charge the remote control and one is to connect. So yeah, all this. What else? Another box is there. Okay, these are extra propellers in case of things goes wrong, right? They have provided, I think, 3-4 extra propellers. Yeah, I think these are the converters. No, I think this is the screwdriver just to open in case, or maybe to fit the the propellers and all. In case of you want to have a replacement, then you can use this. I think these are the joysticks of the remote where it will fit it here. As I told, I am not going to give you a demo how to set up this, how to operate this. You can find out from YouTube. Okay, I think that's all. Just have a complete look what we got in the set. After that, we will proceed for a test flight. Okay. Yeah. We are all set to fly the drone, but problem is that the cloudy weather. See, it's full cloudy, and the wind speed is also quite high. So not sure how it will behave. Let's try. Just we'll give it a try for 5-10 minutes and see. Let's start. So as you have seen, we tried out 10-15 minutes. Anyway, it will take some time to learn the skill how to fly the drone, and the weather condition is not supporting at all because it's too much of wind and it's not good for drone flying the climate. Okay. Anyway, now you will get a chance to see a cinematic view, aerial view of the places which I visit, which definitely will add some value to our videos. So anyway, we'll meet you again, guys, in our next travel video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.